19 questions for my sister for her 19th birthday. First, happy birthday. Okay, you look so beautiful today. Are you joining any pageant?
What?
Are you joining any pageant?
I'm focusing on myself for the moment.
Oh, Eme.
In the
Okay.
moment.
This contains easy question, hard questions, and nose bleeding questions. Nose bleeding questions. Okay, for the easy question, what is your favorite color? For the question number 1.
Newly, lavender.
Lavender.
Nalagay ko siyang choose.
Yeah.
May nakikita.
Yeah. Kaya pala yung keychain niya, guys. Oh, lavender. Okay, for the question number 2. If you could have any superpower, what would it be?
Meron akong tinanungan ng question na ganyan and then sabi niya teleportation. A quick story lang. Tapos, oo nga, maganda pala yun, no? Nung inisip ko. Pero ang gusto ko kasi talaga, makontrol ko yung time. Don't miss
Wow.
all the time. Go back to it or like, fast forward, or pause the time. Like, ang dami mong pwedeng ma-realize at the moment if you can do that.
Number 3. Favorite childhood memory?
Maybe, yung palagi kong nilook back, yung hawak-hawak ko kumain. Tapos, nanonood tayo sa night, yung mga stars. Tapos, basta may kanta tayo dun kinakanta natin yun. Yun palagi kong naiisip kapag childhood. It will always have a special moment.
Yeah, that is very heartfelt story. Yeah, kasi muntik ka na kasi siyang maging Americana that time. Dapat Englishera na siya ngayon at napakaputi niya na. At nasa other planet na siya. Okay, number 4. If you were an ice cream flavor, which would you be?
Ano? Iko ube. Ube.
Why?
Even though chocolate yung mostly kinakain ko, wala ube feels me.
Oh,
Feels
baby.
very violet.
Oh,
lavender.
yeah. Oh my gosh.
And like if you, wala, parang mas gusto ko talaga yung ube pag tinitignan ko.
Yes.
Masarap siya. Mas masarap.
Yummy. Question number 5. From any person, best advice you've ever received?
Siguro yung mas malakas ka kapag mahina ka.
Oh. Yes.
Very faithful, very loyal. Kasi we can always find, or we will always find strength
Yes.
within us, even at our lowest moment.
Question number 6. Ito na. If you could travel anywhere, where will you go?
Anywhere, siguro hindi siya specific country or what, pero ano lang, biome na green grass, grassland, ganon.
Greenland, Iceland.
Grassland. Kasi, if papapiliin akong ocean or trees, forest, mas mararamdaman ko talaga yung comfort kapag nasa trees. I'm surrounded by trees
Yeah,
and
nature.
grasses,
Yeah. Okay, for the question number 7, favorite hobby and why?
Reading.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Reading. Wala. Reading talaga. Meron yung 3 days straight. Akong hindi natulog. Nagbabasa. Nagpupuyat ako.
Wow.
Bakit? Siguro, nandun yung comfort. Nandun yung saya. And like, yung imagination kasi natin nag-iiba kapag yung binabasa natin ganun. Para tayong nasa kanilang world.
Yes. Fairy tale love story.
Yeah. Kaya kahit utusan ako ni
Knowledge.
Mama, magbabasa pa rin ako.
Huwag ka na maghugas. Magbasa ka na lang. Okay. That's number 7. Okay, now question number 8. Most spontaneous thing you've done?
Ano na ulit yun?
Ay, hindi mo pinag-isipan.
Spur of the moment.
Yeah.
Wala akong maalala eh.
Siguro, ay, hindi ako papasok ngayon.
Wala. Ay, meron. Pero siguro hindi yan yung pinaka-most. Or yung most.
Question number 9. If you could have dinner with anyone, who would it be?
Honestly. Wala!
Mag-dinner. Wala.
Wala akong ayokong naiisip.
Okay, it's okay.
Wala akong gustong makalimutan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which one?
I wanna be alone.
Okay, no date daw muna. Kasi, okay. Okay, moving on. For number 10, what's your hidden talent?
I'm not very vocal with my words. Written words. I do featured writing, storytelling, poems. Ginagawa ko yun pero very specific people lang yun. Ginagawa ko. Ay, pero ano, like,
Hidden nga
kita ko
eh.
naman yung kita ko naman yung very worth niya or yung meaning niya na masasabi kong talent.
Wow. Sayang all my talent. Question number 11. Favorite birthday memory?
Yung ano, yung bata ako, di ba hallway yun? Nandun tayo sa taas-taas kina Stephanie yata. Hallway yun, di ba? Tapos, nag-split ako dun sa hallway. Naalala mo ba yun? Basta meron yung legs ko, ito yung legs ko. Ginanod ko ngayon sa ano. Wala, naalala ko lang. It's very cute.
Siguro yun ang talent mo maging gymnastic. Okay, for the question number 12. If you could switch lives with someone for a day, who would it be?
Yung mga nasa forest vibes na tao. Yung living wow, living peaceful. Sa may river, na may trees. Wala kasi gusto mo talaga ma-experience yung malapit ka sa beach.
I
Relaxing.
13. What's your favorite way to relax?
Really? Siguro, alam niyo na guys, sa gano'n ko karaming sinasabi kanina. I always find peace in nature.
Nature lover talaga siya.
Pero yung hanging,
What's that?
yung ano, duyan.
Ah, okay. Dahil dyan magpapagawa ko ng duyan.
Yung duyan, meron tayong duyan dati, diba? Tapos ang ganda sa feeling, especially if sun. Pero magpapaisip ka na lang. Wait kasi what? Wala
Okay.
tayong stress relief.
Oh. Okay. Number 14. Red or blue pill? Red pill, go back in time and fix your past. Blue pill, live into the future and see how things turn out.
Ano, future, foresee the future. Kasi if, even that we are not certain about what's gonna come. So if nakita ko yun, I could make precautions, I could do something about it, and prevent it from happening. Kaya, kasi yung past, it's there na eh. Awan ko, siguro, change pa rin yung present ko kung bumalik ako.
I think yes.
Either way pala, present na lang. Hintayin ko na lang kung ano mangyayari. Hayaan ko na lang yung nakaraan.
Yeah. It's like a song. Que sera, sera. Whatever will be, will be.
Yeah, that's my
Okay. Question number 15. If you could master any skill instantly, what would it be? And
Guitar.
wallet.
Kasi ang galing nila. Gusto ko talagang matutong gumaling gano'n. Meron na one time, music class, gitara, harap ko si sir. May copy ako ng strings gano'n. Pinahawak ko sa classmate ko, hawakan mo yan, tinignan ko yan. Ang kaso yung tinignan ko, eto ko string nakagano'n. Pinahawak ko pa sa kanya, di ba?
True. Sinong may ayaw matuto ng guitar? Okay, number 16. Favorite quote or motto?
The meaning of life is to give life a meaning. It will always be my philosophy of life. Like my philosophy of life.
Okay. For the 17th question.
17th na?
Yes.
Oh, my hardest.
Yun na yun.
Ikaw ang tanong. Yung tanong mo talaga.
Mamaya na yan. Off-cam na yan. Your spirit animal.
You're a dog. Wala. It just reflects my personality. Especially yung mga aso ko. Very playful sila. Very lovable. And it's just what I think I am.
Okay. Question number 18. If you were given a cake, what fruit toppings you like?
Strawberry!
Strawberry!
Guys,
Strawberry!
iwan yun na yun.
Yes. So, dahil ganyan ang kanyang answer, bigyan natin siya ng cake with strawberry.
Ulit! Totoo ba?
Strawberry
Or chamba lang?
fuzzy. Yeah, chamba yan ang siya cake.
Strawberry tayo.
Okay. Okay, since you have finished 18, meron pa tayong last question. And your last question is, makikita mo siya sa loob ng yung strawberry cake.
Ikaw very
And-
full of surprises.
Yes. Wala lang. Happy birthday. And you will read and answer the question.
Oh, okay. What's the best part about another year older? Honestly, who likes getting old? Wala kapag tanda ko na pala, gusto kong bumalik sa pagkabata. Pero of course, there's always a good part about being older, and it is to, makaka-relate ka na sa iba. Every year, you will always feel matured and relate with older people as well. Yun siguro, kaya hindi ka na left out, gano'n.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Yay!
Then message for your viewers and
Hindi.
fans. Kasi balita ko maraming kang followers. Mga 150.
Guys, sa kanila talaga.
Oo, sa kanila.
Alayo ka, George! Hindi siguro sa inyo. We did it for us kasi para may memory kami in the future. So, message for myself in the future na lang. Gawa ako eh. Congrats! You're another year older. What if ganun, no? Every day, every old, or every birthday.
Oh.
May ganun. Tapos papanoorin na.
Oh, true. Maganda yan. Just
Reaction video. Ano? Okay. Yeah, congrats! Another year older. I hope you have learned for the past year. Kasi 19 ka man, di ba? Tapos, hala, 20 ka na! Afterwards, 20 na!
Hindi ka na baby. Paano naman ako?
Time will fly. Enjoy. Have fun.
Hanapin mo. Bahala ka dyan. Wala, yung tinanggal niya na yung strawberry ko naman.
Okay.
Question number 2. If
You know what? request.